what's up people from the tube? Welcome back to another Pancho Things. Today I got an unboxing to do, and this one is gonna make my life easier, and this season super amazing. So let's get started. So before I even open this, I gotta show you guys something because timing is perfect. So I'm editing a video and it happens that on this video my GoPro completely died. Okay, here you can see this clip completely goes black. So all the footage is gone, and most of the audio as well, because the GoPro is the Hero 4. So let me set you guys here. Alright, so let me put you guys there so we can do the unboxing. So I know that the GoPro 10 just came out, but that was quite far of my range. So I got a newer GoPro based on that I have the Hero 4. That's correct. And just to give you an idea, I started my YouTube channel about 2 or 3 years ago. And this camera, I bought it when it just came out, way back, with the idea of starting a YouTube channel. And it wasn't until a few years later that I started my YouTube channel. So this is what started it all. I gotta say, it served me really well. Unfortunately, it's having a lot of issues and they're extremely aggravating and making my life a joker. So it did really well, so thank you so very much. But you are about to be replaced. So let's get into this. I'm not gonna go into too much detail as a full review of the GoPro. This is just an unboxing, and the reason being I'm gonna have to go film stuff and check it out and learn the new stuff that I have in here. Now I shop with Sweetwater because if you guys don't know, I'm a recording engineer, I'm a musician, so I use Sweetwater for all my purchases when it comes to music gear and stuff. And it happened that they had the GoPro there. It was just like, hey, let's do this, it's time. And this is the beautiful thing about Sweetwater, they always include candy, a little bag of candy, and it says thank you. So that's one of the beautiful things about opening any box that come from Sweetwater, is that. So let's get at this. Here it is, GoPro 8. As I said, my budget wasn't that great, so I couldn't go with either 9 or the 10, but compared to this, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be really stoked on the differences and the new things. So I know that there's a lot of camera gurus out there that are gonna be like, hey man, you wasted your money, blah blah blah, you should have go with a 9. Unfortunately, it wasn't feasible economically wise. And we have hunting season coming, and I need to save my buck because I need to chase those birds, and you know how the drill goes. So I'm gonna open this. I also, since I have the experience with my GoPro, and that might have been my fault, as I said, I bought that GoPro years before I started the channel, and I think that those batteries like went bad, and I had to buy a lot of different batteries. And every given time that you see me on those YouTube videos, I'm hunting, I'm carrying like 7 batteries with me because the batteries will last no time. And yeah, so since I know that, I'm pretty sure this guy comes only with one battery, so I went ahead and I bought a dual battery charger and an extra battery, at least to get me started, and then we can upgrade and get some more batteries. So let's get to this. So we have a battery, a little sticky mount, USB cable, and here, manuals and all the paperwork, and camera. Let's see if I can actually instead of doing that, I can just take it out of here. Oh, this is sweet. So this thing comes with a rubber. Oh wow, that's nice. So if you have used GoPros in the past, this one have a little rubber stopper so you don't accidentally unclip it. So you lift the little rubber up and there it goes. That's neat. Wow. This is so nice. Just by weight, and I know how much this mount weighs, but as I said, I've been working with this GoPro for a long time, and this is way lighter, which my neck is gonna appreciate that heavily. And yeah, wow. It's pretty cool. One of the things that a reason why I went with this one is it has a universal, if I'm not mistaken, it's metal. Yeah. Oh no, they're plastic. Plastic metal. No, they're metal. So they have these metal brackets and the camera is pretty much encased in here, which is sweet. Wow, it's really nice. Port for the battery is super sturdy. It's way different than the port on the battery on that one. If it has battery enough, so we can at least take a look. Okay. I know that the Hero 10 has the screen in the front. I think the Hero 9 does as well, and I do enjoy that. But as I mentioned before, it was not feasible at this time, so hopefully in the future we can get another one. I know that they put a new processor on their new GoPros, so let's see if this actually. Oh yeah, we got battery. Oh wow, way faster already. Well, I need to go through all the setting and everything, but yeah, finally, I got a new GoPro. I don't have to be worrying about is this. Initially, the only issues that was giving me was audio, but for the most part, I always have the two cameras. I was like, well, you know, like I can use the audio on the other camera, like it happened on this video that I'm editing right here. It happened on this one, but it was until now that I started doing this where the footage will stop. Just look what happens. Boom. Goes black. And it goes black for a good 10-15 minutes. 10-15 minutes of footage that are gone. No audio, no visuals, nothing. The footage is just completely ruined. So this guy will fix that problem for me. So there you have it. I have a new GoPro and the hunting season is 2 weeks away. Can't wait. We're about to get started in here. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Click the notification bell, as the name says, to be notified every time that I upload a new video. And I will see you in the next one. Pancho out.